Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to fix the 404 error that you might be seeing on GitHub pages when using Tinytask. So first go and open your GitHub account and go to one of your repositories. So we'll use it as an example. So at the top of the page, click on the settings tab, and once you're on the settings, scroll down to the code and automation section. Then click on pages. Now that we're on the GitHub pages section, and there are two key settings that you need to check. So first, under source, make sure that it's set to deploy from a branch. And then right below that, look at the branch setting and make sure it's set to main. So sometimes it's set to none by default, so go ahead and change that to main if needed. Then under folder, make sure it's set to root. And once all that's done, click the save button, give it a moment, and it usually takes about 30 seconds to a minute. And then after that, your site should be live. So a link will appear at the top, click on it to check, and your website should now load without showing the 404 error. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tutorials. See you on the next video.